Why is he sleeping here? Janet!
Ma?
Why is he sleeping here?
Madam,
Good. Did you give him something to eat?
Yes, ma.
Come on, run away before I slap you. I'm sorry. Good evening, Uncle Maxwell.
Good evening.
I went to see the doctor. I hope you haven't been waiting for too long.
Do I have any option? I have to wait.
I was asking this goat why she didn't show you the guest room to sleep in. Sorry about that too.
Anita, I did not come here to sleep in your expensive guest room. I came to see my brother.
Oh, I'm sorry. He traveled. He'll come back next week.
Huh? Next week? Oh, then my family will be dead.
Is anything wrong, Uncle Maxwell? Is there something I can do? I'm willing to help.
Yes, you can do it. You can do it properly for me if you want to.
Then sit down.
It's just a little money that I need.
I'll give it to you in the morning. It's too late now and you can't go back today. In the morning.
Okay, tomorrow morning.
Let me take you to the guest room. Come with me. Uncle Max, good morning.
Good morning.
This is 500,000. Please accept it and have a very safe journey.
I will take it. I will take it and go. Since it is this statutory money you are giving me, I have told you my sons have not paid their school fees and will not be eating. Yet you have the heart to give me this.
But Uncle Max, I already explained to you. This is all the money Kofi left with me before he traveled. And it's supposed to be for our upkeep. But I have given it to you. You know yourself, I do nothing.
Yes. How can you do anything when there's too much money for you to sit on and to play around with? Money you do not know how my brother suffers to make, stopping my junior brother from helping his relatives.
Uncle Max!
God is our witness. God, who sees the heart of man, will judge all of us. No problem.
Anita, this is not the first time nor the second time. This is what you do all the time. I travel and I give you money to run the house. And before I return, you distribute it to some useless vagabonds who call themselves my brothers.
Don't talk like that, darling. They're your brothers. Your blood brothers.
Look, I don't care a hoot whether they're my blood brothers or my water brothers. Since they have decided to waste their lives, live meaningless and idiotic lives, then I too have decided not to help them again.
No, darling. No. God does not bless everybody equally. Since He has decided to bless you with so much, you should be willing to share your riches with them.
Huh? Share my riches with them until I die? Until I die? Look, Anita, I have been sharing my riches with them ever since I was a boy. No, Anita, I say I don't want to anymore. And Anyway, I know what to do.
Anita!
Mommy, I don't like it. Me too.
Anita, has it gotten to this? Why you send your children to insult and throw things at me?
But you were here. Did I send them?
I don't blame you. If I had not come to my brother's house, why would your children see me to insult me and throw things at me? Because you have used witchcraft to confuse and turn my brother's head away from us. Lazy fool. That's why you didn't want to do anything. So that you can sit at home and monitor who are coming and going for money. But don't worry. I will teach you my name is Ethel. Idiot!
Kofi is not part of us. All he thinks about is his wife and himself.
That is why I said we must find a solution to that problem now.
Brother Lionel, stop this.
Kofi, if you said that your wife...
Mother, I said leave my wife out of this.
And why must she be left out of
Leave my wife out of this.
Kofi, if you said that your wife has not used charms to block your senses, why should you get tired of helping your two brothers and a sister? Tell me why.
I'll tell you, Mother. I'll tell you. It is because they do not deserve to be helped anymore. I've helped them enough. You, Linus, I built a house for you in this village. Gave you money to marry. Established a business for you. Today, where is the business? Where is the capital? And you, Maxwell, I not only built a house for you in Kumasi, I gave you a car, a bus, and a business worth 20 million cedis. Can you account for any of these things except the house that you couldn't sell? Or is it you, Ethel?
Yes.
We all know your story. So what will I say and what will I leave out? Mother, I am tired.
Kofi, if you leave, I will no longer count you as my son.
Mother, if that is what will make you disown me, then go ahead.
Huh? Kofi Kakwa!
Uncle Maxwell, welcome. Welcome, Mo.
Oh.
Auntie Ethel, good morning.
Where's my brother?
Oh, he's still in bed. I left him there. He has not woken up yet.
You have fulfilled your heart's desire. You can now rest. Why are you looking at her like that? Is it not true? Or you want to kill her the way you killed our brother?
Anita, the evil woman. You think the easiest way to inherit my brother's wealth is to kill him so soon?
I didn't kill my husband. I couldn't have killed him.
Shut up! Tears of the wicked, they lead to nowhere.
Mother, you leave here for me. You have to tell us which native doctor prepared the chance for you.
Why are you people persecuting this woman for nothing? Why?
Hey! Wafakwesi, Shweye.
Listen to me, Anita. You must be of strong heart to take care of the challenges nature has suddenly placed on your shoulders. You have 3 children to take care of. You have your husband's business to carry on. Do not let their taunting discourage you. It is only a wicked soul who will say that a woman killed her own husband. I will help you against them.
Thank you. May God bless you.
What do I say? Say, tell me a tree.
Echo, what is it? What is it, eh? What is it? Why won't you let me mourn my dead husband peacefully? Why do you keep beating these children as if they were haved from the wood?
For as long as they keep on behaving like bastards, I shall continue to spank them.
Yeah. Beat them next time. And I will remove these clothes, fight you and damn the consequences. What is it, eh? What level of wickedness? You've been married twice to 2 different men, yet no child, and you won't let other people's children be.
Thank you, Mrs. Baby Manufacturer. I married 2 men. At least I didn't kill any of them. Both of them are still alive.
Echimoding. Echimoding. Let us go.
Me.
Do you have any cash? I mean, some money.
Here in the village?
I mean, money you've saved in the city.
It's not much. You know, Kofi never allowed me to do anything. And the death came so suddenly.
But you have some.
Little.
You will give them to me to keep. They have concluded plans to take away everything, including your own money. So you give them to me to keep. After the burial, you can use it to start some small trading.
Why are they doing this to me? Why?
They say it is tradition. You know, when a man dies, all his property, in fact, everything goes to members of his family.
But he has children. How do they want them to survive? No. I will not let them.
Anita, you can't change tradition. You can't. You must thank God that I am on your side. So go and bring the money, the car keys, the documents, and everything. Go.
Hey, you! Where did you get the water from?
From the drum there.
From which drum? What did I use to fetch water? And you come and use it for your cat's clothes? Because you don't know the road to the shoe? Or because your legs are broken? Come on, pass! Pass that children from an evil woman.
You have finished mourning your husband whom you killed. It is time to find your way out of the house.
To where?
You are asking him? To your witch's camp, of course. Come on, pass!
You can go to wherever you like. We can no longer accommodate you and your witchcraft in this house. Out! Out of the house!
Enter the house to your father's house.
You're not coming.
Enter to your father's house. I said enter your father's house.
You will go.
Stay outside here.
Please.
What is that? Nonsense.
Oh, I cry for my life. Oh, I cry, these children I have. Was it something, a mystery, something could it be? Something that I have done. God, to you I lift up my hand. A bleeding heart just waiting to die. Father, come to my rescue. Come vindicate me. Show them my hands are clean. Show them my hands are clean.
Anita, I'm very sorry. I'm sorry my plan for you could not work again. Maxwell and Ethel insisted and sold off all Kofi's property. You see, I did my best to save some for you, but they refused. Anita, I'm sorry. You see, I would have loved to help you, but we swore an oath. You see, they forced me to swear that none of us would help you in any way. Anita, I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
Dry your tears, don't cry again. Take a deep breath and exhale. The world is filled with idle hands, kissing and talk about their plans. Yes, they plot their evil plans. Have no fear, don't be afraid.
Mommy, where are we going now?
I don't know.
But you said Uncle Linus will help us.
But we just saw Uncle Linus.
Oh, Anita.
Please, Mrs. Jones, can we stay here for a while?
No, I'm sorry. It will not be possible. Our house is filled up. I wish I can help you.
Just one night.
No, I'm sorry.
Good day, madam.
Please, I'd like to see Mr. Kofi answer.
Nana? You mean you haven't heard?
Heard what?
Nana and Madame and their 3 children died last week in a motor accident. That is the problem.
Listen to me, Anita. You must be of strong heart, huh? To take care of the challenges nature has suddenly placed on your shoulders.
Oh, I cry for my life. Oh, I cry, those children I have. Was it something, a mystery, something, could it be something that I...
You have 3 children to take care of. You have your husband's business to carry on. Do not let their taunting discourage you. It is only a wicked soul who will say that a woman killed her own husband. Look, I will help you against them.
Show them my hands are clean. Say a prayer, mama. Remember, mama. Innocent mama. What did you do? I can't forget you, mama. I live to remember how you loved me, mama. Oh,